Hello, and a warm welcome back to Afrekete Work from Home Jobs, where we explore business opportunities and navigate through potential scams. Join the discussion and earn rewards like gift cards, Cash App, PayPal, or Bitcoin by answering questions and contributing in the comments. Today we're discussing an incredible job opportunity with Credit Clerk, a leading company in the credit repair market. They're hiring a full-time remote work-from-home sales representative. This role offers a competitive and uncapped commission pay structure, making it possible to earn over $100,000 annually. Let's dive into the details. As a remote sales representative at Credit Clerk, you'll enjoy a competitive and uncapped bi-weekly 100% commission pay structure, 2 weeks of paid training, and an allocated 3 weeks per year safety net, paid time off, and free credit repair services for yourself. Top sales reps are on track to earn over $100,000 this year, all from the comfort of their own home. Credit Clerk is dedicated to helping clients overcome credit challenges and achieve financial freedom. They assist clients in boosting their FICO scores by an average of 120 points, addressing issues like collections, medical bills, and other negative items. If you're passionate about making a real difference in people's lives, this is the place for you. Here's what you'll be doing as a sales representative, handling 20 to 30 inbound calls daily and securing 3 sales per day. You'll be introducing clients to essential products and services. Plus, you'll be meeting daily, weekly, and monthly goals with support from your coach and team. To excel in this role, you'll need your own computer or laptop with at least 8 GB RAM, a headset with a microphone, and a high-speed internet connection. A 2-monitor setup is preferred. You should also have excellent sales and negotiation skills, high energy, enthusiasm, and self-motivation. Strong communication and interpersonal skills are crucial for building trust and relationships with clients. Prior experience in call center sales or related fields is preferred, and knowledge of credit repair is a plus, but not mandatory. Here's why you should consider joining Credit Clerk. Competitive compensation. With a 100% uncapped commission and bonus structure, you can earn from $40,000 to over $100,000 yearly. Impactful work. Be part of a team that genuinely helps clients improve their financial well-being. Growth opportunities. Credit Clerk promotes from within, rewarding hard work and dedication. Paid time off, PTO. Enjoy a flexible PTO policy paid at $15 per hour, with 10 vacation days, 5 sick days, and 7 floating holidays. Free credit repair services. Employees receive free credit repair services. Be sure to check out the following links in the description. Link to the actual work from home job, link to free work from home resume and cover letter templates, link to our manifesting subliminal, link to get you started with some free crypto. If you're interested in this amazing opportunity, don't wait. Apply now by visiting the link in the description. Remember,